This is an exercise designed to help the muscles of the upper back, bilateral external rotation or pulling the band out with both arms. So for the method, just have both palms facing up and grip it. Semi-grip and pull out to the sides. Keeping your elbows at your side as much as you can rather than letting them go out. And just pull out. And just go in and out in a steady rhythm. And try and squeeze your shoulder blades together at the back. You can also do this exercise in a higher elevation, pulling out, just keeping your elbows soft and pulling steadily in and out. And about 2 sets of 20, again, would be good repetitions for this exercise unless your therapist has instructed you to do otherwise.